How to log in into Queensland Payroll tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how to log in into Queensland Payroll tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser. For example, I'll be using Safari. Now search for the Queensland Payroll tax login on the search bar. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites and links like this will be appeared on your screen. From these different websites and links, click on the second website, Payroll Tax. Wait for a while and you'll be directed to this page. Again, click on this blue button that says login to QRO online. Wait for a while and now finally you need to enter your email address and password in order to log in into your account. In case you have forgotten your password, simply tap on forget password option. Or if you are a new user, you can tap on don't have an account yet option. So simply fill up your information and click on that blue button login. And with that you are good to go. In this very easy and simple way, you can log in into your account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.